Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Google Keep with Google Docs step by step. This is the full guide for 2026, so let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and go to Keep Google.com. Sign in with your Google account if you're not already signed in. Once Google Keep opens, choose the note that you want to use in Google Docs and click on it. Now click the More menu, which is the three dots at the bottom of the note. From the menu, click Copy to Google Docs. Google Keep will create a new Google Docs document with your note. Click Open Doc to open the document. Now you can edit the text, change the formatting, add headings, insert images, create tables, and continue writing your document. Google Docs automatically saves every change, so you don't need to save the file manually. You can access the document anytime from Docs.google.com. Now let's go back to Google Keep and open the original note again. It's important to know that Copy to Google Docs creates a separate copy of your note. If you edit the document in Google Docs, those changes will not automatically update the original Google Keep note. Google Keep is perfect for saving quick ideas, reminders, and short notes, while Google Docs is better for writing detailed documents and organizing larger content. Using both together is a great way to turn simple notes into professional documents. That's how to use Google Keep with Google Docs in 2026. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and check out my other Google Keep tutorials. See you in the next video.